Hi Dressed Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a fat tiger from Bu2ma. So let's get started. To draw this super cute tiger, let's first start by drawing the nose. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve. So it's going to be a deep curve going up. So right here, I'm just going to draw a curve and then bring it down. Then from there, I'm going to come down, round this off, and then bring it down towards the center. And same thing here, bring it towards the center. So the reason it's nice and high is right here, I'm going to cut it off for the actual nose part. This part is going to be black, and then, sorry, not black. Right here, it's going to be nostrils right here. I forgot what color it is. It's not black, but it's just there's the two different levels on the nose. Okay, so then I should have made sure I remembered. Sorry about that. So then from there, let's go up. We're going to find your center and come to the sides of your center. I'm just going to give myself 2 points, and I'm going to go up and come back to say about right here where the nose is. I'm just going to give myself some points. I'm going to go up on this side, nice and high, and go around and bring it right back. So same thing here, using this as my guide. I'm going to go up just like the other side, nice and high, around, bring it up and back in. So just creating the opening for the eye. Then from there, I'm going to come in about, let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw a slight curve coming down. Then I'm going to go past it and go around to create our eye and connect. So same thing here. Just going to create this curve going all the way across, and then just going to go a slight slant, making a grumpy tiger. So now that we have that shape in, let's come back in here and we're just going to draw a half curve right here and shade it in. I'll try to put a little highlight and see if that looks right. If not, I'll shade it all in. So same thing here. There. I think I'll give it a little highlight. So I'm going to bring this up a little bit more to match this side. Okay, so then from there we need to draw some markings. So about right here, I'm going to draw this long teardrop shape, and then here it's going to be smaller, kind of like a comma, and then a smaller one, just for some details. So same thing here, 2 smaller ones. There. Then from there, I'm going to bring this down with a straight line right in the center and say about that much, and then I'll split it off into 2 little angle lines. Very grumpy. Then from there, let's go ahead and frame the face. So the face is kind of like this fat dumpling shape. So I'm going to say, make it a little bit easier. Let's say like this, where my eye is, this corner, I'm going to bring it out nice and wide. So I'll say about right here. So same thing here, about the same like the other side. So say about right here. From there, I'm going to go ahead and just use this to start to draw the top of my tiger's head. So I'm going to go up nice and high. So say about right there towards the center, and then I can start to bring it down back to my point. There, so just drawing this big curve. So remember, it is a fat tiger, so that's why the face is very wide. So then we're going to start to bring it down. It's going to be a little bit wider here on the cheek area. And then we can start to bring it in. I just love this tiger. It's just the cutest thing ever. So then let's bring this in. And so towards the center where the mouth is, I'm going to go up a little bit and then come back down and connect. There. So this nice round, almost like a peach, right? Those peach dumplings. Okay, so now that we have that, let's come back to this area right here and Draw this ear for a tiger. So same thing on the other side, but right here, just a little curve. Now just darken this part right there. And then let's see, now we need to draw some details. So I'm going to come to the side of the eye and just going to draw this shape right here, and same thing here. So these are the markings for the tiger, and same thing over here. I'm going to draw a bigger one right around the eye. So it's just kind of this curve, and same thing here. So there's this curve that goes around the eye. There. Okay, and let's see. And this one looks a lot smaller now that I'm looking at my camera. So thank goodness it's all black, so you can definitely go back in there and make any changes you need. Okay, so then the center, we're going to come about here. I'm going to give myself a point, and I'm just going to draw this little curve. And I'm going to go up to create this shape, bring it down, down, and then let's see here. It's going to curve up towards the center and come back down. Kind of reminds me of a bird. There, and then let's see if we can fit in one more. So we're just going to draw another little marking right here. And here as well, so it kind of slopes down a little bit. There, and the whiskers. So I'm going to come next to this nose and draw 1, 2, and 3. So same thing here. And one more. So cute, right? And I'll color in all the markings a little bit later. Let's work on the body. So using this as my hump right here, I need to cross the arms. So I'm going to come about right here and right here on both sides. And let's work on this side first. I'm going to bring down these arms. So I'm going to go around, and I'm going to pass this right here. I'm going to go up, pass it, and then just curve it in. And then this side, same thing, we're just going to tuck it in. So we just want to make sure you're at the same level on the other side, just like the other arm, and then just tuck it in. So hopefully that looks like the arm is folded. And then from there, let's draw the body. So we're going to come right here, and we're going to draw an angle line coming out, because we want this tiger nice and fat. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and bring it down. I keep going down a little bit more to about right here and connect. There. And then I'm going to come back to say about right here. I'm going to draw these little feet. So I'm going to curve 1, 2, and 3 and just tuck it in. Little detail. So same thing here, about right here. 1, 2, and 3. There for the little feet. And let's see, we need to add a tail. So I'm going to come about right here and go up, round it off, and then bring it down. There. And so now for some details, let's come back into this space right here, and we're going to come here and draw a curve that tapers in for the tummy area. So same thing here. Draw 2 curves on both sides. There. And then let's draw some markings. So I'm going to come right here in the center and draw this kind of like a boomerang shape. And I'm going to draw this heart one. Because it's my Draw So Cute tiger, right? Fat tiger from Bu2ma. And some stripes right here. Hopefully I'm saying that right. It is Bu as in Chinese, in the number 2. And draw some more markings here. And one more here. So hopefully you're just having fun with these stripes. There's no right or wrong. It's all up to you how many you want to put or how you want to put them. So here, and then just like the other side, another smaller one here, and then bigger one that comes up, past it and down, and then a smaller one. There, and let's see, and then on the tail as well. There, and on the arms as well. So about right here, I'm gonna add one, and another one here. Same thing on this side. There. And so now I'm going to go ahead and quickly just shade this all in so you can see a little better, and then make any adjustments. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this grumpy fat tiger from Bu2ma turned out, and I helped you draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.